So, it is your very first day at a new job. You walk into the office and everyone seems to know what they are doing. People are typing, phones are ringing, some are laughing together. You smile, but inside, maybe you feel a little nervous, right? You want to speak clearly, you want to sound confident, you want to introduce yourself, but suddenly your English feels stuck. The words are in your head, but your mouth is quiet. If this has ever happened to you, today's episode is just for you. Because today, we will help you speak naturally, politely, and confidently when meeting new people at work in English.
Hey there, and welcome back to another English practice episode. We are really happy you are here with us, and do not worry, we are going to walk you through this whole situation step by step. You will learn how to introduce yourself, how to talk about your job, how to ask polite questions to coworkers, and how to make a good first impression. And the best part? You will not just learn, you will also repeat with us. You will hear the phrases again and again. We will go slowly, and we will help you speak along with the conversation. So even if you feel shy in real life, after this episode, you will know exactly what to say and how to say it.
We will also practice something very important: how to talk about your job role in clear, natural English. Many learners say things like, "I do computer," or "My job is engineer," but those are not quite right. Later in the episode, we will show you how to fix that and how to speak about your job like a native speaker. So stick around, because by the end of this episode, you will feel much more comfortable talking to your coworkers in English, even on day one.
And if this is your first time joining us, welcome. This is a podcast-style English channel designed just for international learners, people who want to speak English confidently in real life, not just pass tests. So grab your tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's begin. Now, we are going to listen to a real, simple conversation between two new coworkers on their first day of work. Just relax, listen slowly. After that, we will break it down together, and then you will speak it with us. Sound good? Okay, let's start the first conversation.
In this section, we will present 3 natural, slow-paced conversations between two coworkers meeting for the first time on their first day at work. Each one will build slightly in vocabulary and comfort level while still keeping the language simple and beginner-friendly.
Hi there. Are you new here too?
Yes, I just started today. My name is Maya.
Nice to meet you, Maya. I am Daniel. What department are you working in?
I am joining the marketing team. What about you?
I am in customer support. Today is my first day as well.
That is great. It feels a little strange at first, right?
Yes, everything is so new, but people seem friendly.
Yes, I agree. Have you met your manager yet?
Not yet. I think I have a meeting at 10.
Same here. I guess we will both be learning a lot today.
Definitely. Well, good luck with your first day.
You too, Daniel. See you around.
Hey, Maya. How is your first day going so far?
Hey, Daniel. So far, so good. I just had a welcome meeting with my team.
That sounds nice. Did they give you a lot of information?
Yes, but it was helpful. I also got my email and tools set up.
Same here. I am still learning the system though.
Yeah, it takes time. What do you usually do in customer support?
I help answer client questions by email and chat. Later, I will take phone calls too.
Sounds busy, but interesting.
Yes. What about you? What is your role in marketing?
I will be writing content for the website and social media, mostly product updates and blog posts.
That sounds fun. I like writing too, but I am not very good at it.
You probably are better than you think.
Maybe. Anyway, it is nice to have someone else who is new here.
Yes, I feel less nervous now. Thanks for the chat.
Anytime. Let me know if you want to grab lunch together later.
Sure, that would be nice.
Good morning. You must be Maya.
Yes, that is me. Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team. I am Anna, the content manager.
Thank you. I am excited to be here.
Great. Did you get everything set up? Email, access, tools?
Yes, the IT team helped me this morning. Everything is working fine.
Perfect. So let me give you a quick overview of your tasks.
Sure, I am ready.
You will start with 2 blog posts this week. One is about our new product, and the second is a customer success story.
Sounds good. Can I ask who I should send the drafts to?
Send them to me. I will review them and give you feedback.
Got it. Thank you.
Also, do not worry if you have questions. You can ask me or your teammate Leo anytime.
That is very helpful. Thank you, Anna.
All right, take your time to read our style guide and welcome again.
Thank you. I look forward to working with you. Now, let's slow things down. We are going to learn some important English phrases you heard in the conversation. We will go one by one, slowly, clearly, and with examples you can use in real life.
First, say the phrase out loud with us, then listen to the meaning. Then try the examples. Phrase 1, nice to meet you.
Say it with me. Nice to meet you. Repeat. One more time. Nice to meet you. This is a very common way to greet someone when you meet them for the first time. It is polite, simple, and always safe to use. Example 1. Hi, I am Sam. Hi, Sam. Nice to meet you. Example 2. Nice to meet you. I have heard a lot about your work.
You can also say, it is nice to meet you, if you want to sound a little softer. Phrase 2, what department are you working in?
Say it with me slowly. What department are you working in? Repeat. One more time. What department are you working in?
This is a great question to ask your coworkers. It helps you know where they work, like marketing, sales, IT, or HR.
Example 1. Oh, cool. What department are you working in? Example 2. I am working in customer service. What about you?
Many beginners say, what job you do? But that sounds a little strange. Use this question instead. It sounds more natural and correct.
Phrase 3. Let me know if you need help. Say it with us. Let me know if you need help. Repeat. One more time. Let me know if you need help.
This is a very kind and professional way to offer help at work. Native speakers use this all the time, and it feels friendly.
Example 1. Let me know if you need help with the system. Example 2. Let me know if anything is unclear.
This shows you are open and supportive. It makes a great impression on your team. Phrase 4, I just started today.
Say it with me. I just started today. Again, I just started today.
This makes it easy for others to understand that you might have questions or need time to adjust.
Now that you know the meaning and usage of these phrases, we will move on to something really important, learning how to avoid common mistakes when using them. Are you ready?
In this section, we will show you some very common English mistakes made by learners during introductions and how to correct them naturally. This will help you speak more confidently at work and avoid misunderstandings. Let's begin with mistake 1. What your department? Correct. What department are you working in? Hi, what is your name? Student. Mistake. Hi, I am Lena. What your department? Ah, I think you mean, what department are you working in? That sounds more complete and natural. Student tries again. What department are you working in? Perfect, much better. Fluency tip. You can also say, which team are you on? Even shorter. Mistake 2. I am just joined today. Correct, I just started today. Is this your first day? Student, mistake. Yes, I am just joined today. Almost, but the grammar is a little off. You can say, I just started today. Student tries again. I just started today. Yes, very clear and natural. Mistake 3. Let me know you need help. Correct. Let me know if you need help. If you need anything, just tell me, okay? Student, mistake. Yes, let me know you need help. Oops, that sounds a bit confusing. You should say, let me know if you need help. Student, repeat slowly. Let me know if you need help. Perfect. That little word if makes a big difference. Mistake 4. Nice meet you. Correct. Nice to meet you. Hi, I am Alex. Student, mistake. Nice meet you. Alex, warmly. Close, but you need to add to. Try, nice to meet you. Yes, now it sounds perfect. These small corrections really help. Do not feel bad if you have made these mistakes before. We all learn by practicing, and now you know how to fix them. Now that we corrected the common mistakes, let us repeat the original conversation, but this time the English is clear, smooth, and confident. I will say Alex's lines, and you say Lena's lines with me. Pause after each line and speak it out loud. Ready? Hi there, you must be new here.
Yes, I just started today. My name is Lena.
Great to meet you, Lena. I am Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
What department are you working in?
I am in the marketing department.
Oh, nice. I work in design.
That is cool.
Let me know if you need help with anything.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Is this your first job?
No, I worked in a small company before.
I see. Well, welcome to the team.
Thanks. I am happy to be here.
You are Alex and Lena. Go back and try it once more as a full role play. Speaking out loud builds memory, fluency, and muscle confidence. Now, let us give you a few quick fluency tips to help you sound even more natural.
Fluency tips plus mini anecdote. Fluency tip number 1. Use hi, I'm, not myself is. Many English learners say, myself is Ali or myself Lena. But native speakers never say that. Instead, say, hi, I'm Ali. Hi, my name is Lena. These sound simple and natural. Practice. Say it out loud with me. Hi, I am Lena. Hi, my name is Lena. Feel how natural it sounds? That is the goal. Fluency tip number 2. Smile and ask simple follow-up questions. When meeting coworkers, do not just answer and stop. Ask back. It keeps the conversation flowing and helps you connect. Example: what department are you in? Marketing. What about you? It is small but powerful. Try it at work tomorrow. You will sound more friendly and confident. Mini story: my awkward first day. Let me tell you something quick. On my first job, I was so nervous. I practiced my introduction the whole night before. But when I walked in, I forgot everything. I said, Lena is new. I start day today. Everyone laughed, not to be rude, but in a kind way. And one kind lady said, just say, hi, I'm Lena. You're doing great. From that moment, I remembered that simple is better. You do not need big words. You just need to show up, smile, and speak from the heart. And that is exactly what you are doing right now. Now, let us move on to a very helpful section. In this part, we will go through the full conversation again, but this time very slowly. After every sentence, I will pause for a few seconds so you can repeat after me. Let's begin.
Hi there, you must be new here.
Yes, I just started today. My name is Lena.
Great to meet you, Lena. I am Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
What department are you working in?
I am in the marketing department.
Oh, nice. I work in design.
That is cool.
Let me know if you need help with anything.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Is this your first job?
No, I worked in a small company before.
I see. Well, welcome to the team.
Thanks. I am happy to be here.
Speak it with a smile. Feel your progress. Every time you practice like this, you train your mouth, ears, and memory to speak more fluently. You did amazing today. If you stayed with me all the way through this episode, it means one thing. You truly care about improving your English. And that makes you different. So many people want to speak well, but only a few actually practice like you just did. Now here is what I want you to do next. Your practice plan, 5 simple steps. Re-listen to this episode tomorrow. Even 10 minutes of review will help you remember faster. Shadow the full conversation again. Repeat each sentence after me, just like we did today. Speak clearly and slowly. Practice your own version. Think of your first day at work. Say out loud, "Hi, I am your name. I work in your department." This builds personal fluency. Use the key phrases in daily life. Say, "Nice to meet you." "Let me know if you need help," or "I just started today," even when practicing alone. Stay confident, even when you make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Do not be afraid of them. Keep moving forward. You do not need to speak perfect English. You just need to practice with heart every day, and you are already doing it. This channel is here for you, always. Every episode is made with care, just for you. So if today's video helped you, like the video, comment and tell me where you work, subscribe to join our learning family, and most of all, keep practicing daily. You are learning more than just English. You are learning confidence, and I am so proud of you. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.